To check your account balance with the Egyptian Gulf Bank in Switzerland, you can follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Egyptian Gulf Bank's official website. Look for the online banking section where you can log into your account. Step 2. Log into your online banking. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. If you haven't registered yet, you may need to create an account first. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your account 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the account. If you have multiple accounts, select the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will provide you with detailed information about that account. Step 5. Review your balance. After selecting the account, your current balance will be displayed. Take note of the balance and any other relevant information you may need. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance with the Egyptian Gulf Bank in Switzerland. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.